Realme Note 50, pattern password finger solo work. Realme, this phone is Realme Note 50 RMX 3 volt. Logged screen lock. First power of this device, then wait 15 second, 15 second, wait 15 second. Okay, done. Then press volume up button, power can up button. Then press volume down and select it web data factory reset. Web data factory reset. Press power key. Then volume down, factory data reset selected, and okay, power key press. Data formatted okay, completed web data, then reboot the system. Then next, select language. Then next, then more, accept, skip. Okay.